Do you go to the gym and feel nervous speaking English? Maybe you don't know how to ask for help, or you freeze when someone talks to you there. Today, I'm teaching you 7 English phrases that native speakers use every single day at the gym. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident speaking English anywhere in your fitness routine. Hello, and welcome to Daily English Edge. I'm here to teach you real English that you can use immediately. Today's topic is English at the gym. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, these 7 phrases will help you speak naturally and confidently in any gym situation. Let's start right now. This is one of the most common phrases at the gym. When someone is using the equipment you want to use, you say, "Can I work in with you?" This means you want to take turns using the same equipment. For example, imagine someone is using the bench for dumbbell exercises. You walk over politely and say, "Hey, can I work in with you?" This is much more natural than saying, "Can I use the machine after you finish?" Native speakers prefer work in because it saves time and is efficient. You simply switch the weights, do your set, and switch back. Very practical, very natural. A spot is when someone stands behind you and helps you lift heavy weights safely. If you're about to lift something heavy, you ask someone near you, "Can you spot me?" This is super important for safety. For example, if you're doing bench press with heavy dumbbells, you need someone to watch and help if you struggle. You say, "Hey, can you spot me for a few reps?" The person will stand nearby and be ready to help. This phrase is essential gym English. Without knowing this, you might lift alone and hurt yourself. So remember, "Can you spot me?" is a safety question and shows you know gym etiquette. Your routine is your exercise plan. At the gym, people often chat and ask each other about their fitness routine. You might say, "What's your routine? Are you doing chest and back today?" This is a natural way to start a conversation with another gym member. The answer might be something like, "I'm doing leg day today," or "I'm mixing cardio with strength training." This phrase opens up friendly conversation at the gym. Native speakers use it all the time because gym people love talking about their workouts. So, if you want to sound natural and make friends at the gym, ask, "What's your routine?" It works every time. A set is a group of repetitions of one exercise. If someone is using equipment you want to use, you can politely ask how long they'll be there by saying, "How many sets do you have left?" For example, you're waiting for the leg press machine, and someone is using it. You approach and say, "Hey, how many sets do you have left?" They might say, "2 more sets," which tells you how long to wait. This is much more polite and specific than saying, "Are you almost done?" It shows you understand gym language. Native speakers use this constantly because it's efficient communication. You know exactly when the equipment will be free. The verb hit in gym English means to work on or exercise a specific muscle group. So, "I'm hitting legs today" means you're exercising your leg muscles. You might also hear, "I'm hitting shoulders" or "I'm hitting back." This is very casual, very natural, and very common at the gym. If someone asks, "What are you working on today?" you can answer, "I'm hitting chest and triceps." Native speakers love this phrase because it's short, energetic, and fits gym culture. It sounds strong and confident. So instead of saying, "I am exercising my legs today," just say, "I'm hitting legs." Much more natural. There you have it. 5 essential English phrases for the gym that will help you sound natural and confident. Remember, "Can I work in?" "Can you spot me?" "What's your routine?" "How many sets do you have left?" And "I'm hitting legs." Practice these phrases the next time you're at the gym, and you'll feel so much more comfortable speaking English. Subscribe to Daily English Edge for a new English lesson every single day and take your fluent English to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.